exercise 15.1, page number 6. Right? Page number 6. Let's do. Let's do part K. Right? I hope you have tried. Right? 2x minus x minus 5 close curly bracket plus 4 times x minus 1. This kind of things can be in your exam. Okay? Right. So, as I told you, right, when you are doing this, make karma, right? So you need to be very careful. Why is that? Here you have x, here you have x, and here also you have x. In 3 points you have x, right? So you need to make sure that x is in the single place after all simplification has been done. Right? Keep that in your mind. So now you can see here you have x, here you have x, and here you have x. And all the way around you can see brackets. Right? Brackets. Here also you have a bracket, not a single value like we did last week. And here also there are 2 brackets, curly bracket and a single bracket. Right? So how we are going to simplify this one? How to make current? Right? If you see each and everywhere bracket, you may remove the bracket first. Correct? So you cannot use Thanos method here, right? So that means you cannot vanish anything, right? Curly bracket is ended up from here. If it ended up from here, then you can divide both sides by 3. But you cannot apply it here now. So that I am going to remove the brackets. So how am I going to remove the brackets? First of all, I am going to remove the parentheses. Then I am going to remove the curly brackets. Right? So that is the sequence. So normally we are using parentheses. After using parentheses, we are going to use curly brackets. Right? Then after using both of these inside, then finally we use square bracket. That is the sequence. So that is the order I told at the beginning of the lesson. Right? I have given it to you at the beginning of the class. Right? So first of all, you need to simplify this first place. You have to simplify. Then go for this guy. Then if you have this, then go for this. Right? So here, parenthesis part 1 is here. Parenthesis part 2 is here. So I am going to remove this bracket. Then, secondly, I am going to remove curly bracket. Right? So that is the order. Right? This is the order. Parenthesis, curly bracket, square bracket. Right? First of all, I am going to simplify this parenthesis. Right? So I am going to rewrite the same thing as it is using curly brackets. 2x. Right? Here you have -1. When method -1. Actually, you cannot see it. Right? Negative into positive. This is positive x. Negative into positive. So 1 times x. Negative into negative, positive. 1 times 5. Right? Close curly bracket. Now here you have plus sign. Positive into positive. 4 times x, 4x. Positive into negative. 4 times 1, 4. Okay. Equals 35. I am not going to do any simplifications. First of all, I am going to simplify the brackets and remove the brackets. Right? So now we have only the curly bracket. Now I am going to simplify the curly bracket. Fine. So before that, I can simplify this one more time. 2x minus x means x. 2x minus x means x. So I can simplify that because they are like terms to me. These two are like terms, right? If you can see. So then I am going to simplify the like terms. 2x minus x, x plus 5, right? Here plus 4x minus 4. Now if you have already tried this, you can check your steps because I have given these things as homeworks. Right? Now I am going to remove the bracket by using number 3, positive 3. Right? Positive into positive, positive. 3 into x, 3x. Positive into positive, positive. 3 into 5, 15. Right. Now I have plus 4x minus 4 equals 35. Right? Right. So now like that make 3 apples, 4 apples. Right? Positive 3x, positive 4x. 3 plus 4, 7x. Very easy. 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4 plus 11, right? Positive 11 is equal to 35. Now you know how to do this. This is a simple equation. This is a simple equation, right? You know how to solve a simple equation. 7x plus 11 equals 35. So I will rewrite it here so that you can see 7x plus 11 equals 35. What is positive 11? Take it to the other side. That means you are going to subtract 11 from both sides. Do the opposite thing. So at once I will do that. 7x, right? This goes to this side. Is 35 minus 11. Right. In my left hand side, I have 7x. Right? 35 minus 11. 5 minus 1, 4. 24. Right? 24. Right? So, if you want to find the value of x, you are going to divide both sides by 7. This side by 7, this side by 7. Right? 7 times 1, 7 times 1. X equals, this is an improper fraction. Right? This is an improper fraction. So that you could place as it as like mixed number. Right? How many 7s are there for 24? 7 times 3, right? So 3 means your whole number in the mixed number part, right? Whole number part of the mixed number, right? So denominator, it won't change. It is 7. 7 times 3, 21. 21 plus rest. Rest is 3. If you add 3 to 7 times 3, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. So this should be your answer. 4x. Correct? Right. So this is the way you need to solve this. So if you have this, please correct. If you have any wrong answers, right, you may check. Take the red pen and write down where you got wrong. It is the best practice that you can do. Correct? Don't copy this and don't make something like if you have something wrong, don't try to make it correct. Right? Put wrong. Then rewrite this. Right. Then we are going to do part L, last part. Huh? So So I wanted to show you this is the way you are going to do. That's the way. Right. Right. So I will do part A, last part. Those are the biggest two questions, right? These are homeworks. Huh? I told you to do at home and few of you have done. සමහර කට්ටියගේ මට බලන්න බැරි වුණා. Right? Right. So I think you have done right in this, but I will keep it here, right? Last one, part L. So it is somewhat big like the previous one. 2 times curly bracket, 3 times x plus 1 minus 2 times x minus 4 curly bracket equals 33. Right. So there are two ways that you can do this, right? So you can either use the method that I told you, or you can remove the brackets and then obtain a simple linear equation. Then you can make sure that x is the subject, so that you can solve it for x and find the value for x. Correct? Right. First of all, I will do it in my method, the way that I told you. Correct? Right. So this whole thing you can imagine it as an apple. 7 plus apple equals something. 7 plus apple equals something. So 7 is positive. You can subtract 7 from both sides and you can take this guy to this by negative, by subtract. Positive 7, no? Right? So that apple equals 33 minus 7. This positive 7 goes to this minus 7. You know the logic, how it becomes minus 7 by using axioms. Still the axiom lesson is there to teach. I will teach it, right, on time, right, when it is needed. So don't worry about that. Right. Okay. So, right. So this is an apple. 7 plus apple, right? So I am going to subtract 7 from both sides so that I can write 2 times 3 times x plus 1 minus 2 times x minus 4 close curly brackets. 7 is here, positive 7, so it goes to the other side like being negative 7, right? Hope you can understand. I have done these things several times in last week as well. Yeah. And also here also same thing done, right? When 11 goes to this side, it becomes negative 11. Positive 7 goes to that side, negative 7, right? Okay, now what is this? Right? This snap, right? Here you have 2 times something. 2 times something equals something, right? So first of all, let's write it. 2 times 3x plus 1 x minus 4 equals 33 minus 7. 26, right? 26. Right, okay. So I will clear this part. Now, 2 times apple equals 26. 2 times apple equals 26. So I am going to divide both sides by 2. So that I can remove 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 1. So now I have this move right? Inside this curly bracket, I have only this. These things become 1, right? So I can rewrite 3 times x plus 1 minus 2 times x minus 4 equals 26 divided by 2, 13, right? Now this is it, correct? So now I can remove bracket because x is here, because x is here. X is in both places, right? Both places. So I have to take x into single place so that I can make x is the subject of this equation, right? Or the formula, right? So that I can solve for x. I can find the value of x. All the things are same. Solve for x, make the x as the subject, right? Find the value of x. All of them are same, are indifferent, right? So remove the bracket. This is positive 3 now. Positive into positive, positive. 3 into x, 3x. Positive into positive, positive. 3 into 1, 3. Negative into positive, negative. 2 into x, 2x. Negative into negative, positive. 2 times 4, 8, 30. Right? Make 3 apples minus 2 apples. Right? 3 minus 2. 1 apple. X. So I will do it here. Listening current. Right? 3x minus 2x, 8. Right? Plus 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 equals 30. So very simple thing. Take this to the side. X equals 13 minus 11. That means 2. X is equal to 2. X is 2. Right? So this is the way that I taught you. Right? Now I'm going to do this same question by using your textbook method. Right? But in the when you are going to grade 11, your A levels and the campus, you never use that, right? You will use but half, but you will use this in your higher grades. I will assure that 1000%. I will assure that 1000%. You will use this method in your higher grades, not the textbook method. Right. So I hope you have done this one. Right. This is the way that I taught you how I am going to do it by using the textbook method. Right. Okay. I am going to clear this up. Now focus on the board. Right. Don't do anything. It is up to you to decide whether you are doing this way or textbook method. It's up to you. Right. No teacher can argue with you. This is wrong. Right. This is not the way I taught you. එහෙම කියන්න බෑ හරිද? එහෙම කාටවත් කියන්න බෑ. බලන්න උත්තරේ හරිනම් x equals 2 නම් මොන මෙතඩ් එකකින් ඔයා x equals 2 කියලා ගත්තා හරිද? අනිවාර්යෙන් x equals 2 තමයි. ඒක ඔයාගේ ability එක. කාටවත් කියන්න බෑ exam එකේදීම අපි මේක කියලා දීලා නැහැ ඔයාට. right මේ මෙතඩ් එක මම කියලා දීලා නැහැ ඔයාට. ඒකින්ද මේ මෙතඩ් එක ඔයාට යූස් කරන්න බෑ කියලා කියන්න බෑ. හරිද? ඔයා අනිත් අයට වැඩිය වෙනස් කළේ. ඒකින් තමයි යූස් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. ඔයාට ෆැමිලියර් මෙතඩ් එක. ඔයා හිතන හරි කියන මෙතඩ් එක තමයි යූස් කරලා තියෙන්නේ ගාන හදන්න. මොකද ඔයා මෙතඩ් ගොඩක් දන්නවා එකම ගාන හදන්න. අර ඉස්කෝලේ කියලා දුන්න මෙතඩ් එක විතරක් නෙමෙයි. ඔයා වෙන විදිහකුත් දන්නවා. ඒ වෙන විදිහින් තමයි ඔයා ගාන හදලා තියෙන්නේ. හැබැයි කවුරු හරි තර්ක කරොත් මේක උත්තරේ මෙහෙම ගන්න බෑ. මේ එහෙම ලකුණු දෙන්න බෑ කියලා කිව්වොත් ඔයාට තර්ක ටීචර් මේක හරනේ මේක එහෙම වැඩ නැරදී මෙතන වැරදි පෙන්නන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? එහෙම ඒ ළමයින්ම එහෙම කරන දේවල් ඉස්කෝලේ තියෙනවා සමහර අය. ඒ ටීචර්ස්ලා මෙතන දන්නේ නැහැ. ඒකයි වැඩි වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. හරිද? ඒකට එහෙම ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා හොඳේ. හරිද? ඒකින්ද ඔයා හරි කියලා දන්නවා නම් yes හරි. එච්චර. හරිද? එහෙම කාටවත් කියන්න බෑ ලකුණු වල කරන්න බෑ. හරිද? ඔයා දන්න වැඩි මෙතන කීපයක්. එනවා ඩයල් එක. හරිද? කවුරු හරි ඇවිල්ලා එහෙම කිව්වොත් ඔයා තාක්ෂණය කරනවා. හරිද? ලොජික් එකකින් ඉන්න බෑ කරන්නේ. මේක මෙහෙම මේක කිව්වේ. ඔයා වහන්න නැති වෙයි. but ඔයා හරි. හරිද? ඒ කියන්නේ හැම වැරදි කියලා ඔප්පු කරන්න පුළුවන් එකට ඔයා හරි කියලා කියන්න බෑ. මම කියන්නේ ඒ කතාව ඔයා දන්න සීල් එක. හරිද? එතකොට ඔයා ඩයල් එක. හරි? ඒකයි වෙන්න ඕන. හරිද? කොහොම හරි අර උත්තරේ නැහැ. ඔයා හරි මෙතඩ් එකක් යූස් කරලා තමයි උත්තරය අරන් තියෙන්නේ. Right? Okay. So textbook method. Right. So in the textbook they are saying you need to first remove the brackets. How you are going to remove the brackets? From the remove brackets. First of all, you need to remove the brackets, parentheses. Then after simplifying the parentheses, you have to simplify the like terms. Then go for curly brackets. Right. Okay. How many parentheses are there? Here you have, and here the other one. Right. So first of all, I am going to remove bracket from these three and this. Right. Done. Then later I am going to simplify the brackets by using these two. Right. Okay, for that 7 plus 2 is here, right? Curly bracket open. Positive into positive, positive. 3 into x, 3x. Positive into positive, positive. 3 into 1, 3. Right? Negative into positive, negative. 2 into x, 2x. Right? Negative into negative, positive. 2 into 4, 8. Right? Okay. 33. Right. So that here now 7 is here. Before that, before removing the curly bracket, here you have like terms. 3 apples, negative 2 apples, so on and so forth. 3x minus 2x, x. Plus 3 plus 8, 11 is equal to 30. Right? So now you can remove the curly brackets. 7 plus positive into positive, positive, 2 into x, 2x. Positive into positive, positive, 2 into 11, 22 is equal to 33. Right? Okay, ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ හොඳට බලා ගන්න හරි. කැමරාවේ කට්ටිය කැමරාව ඔෆ් කරගෙන ඉන්න පුතා හරි. Focus on the board. පිස්සු ගෙලින්න බෑ මේ පිටිපස්සේ හරිද? අම්මලෙන් කම්ප්ලේන්ට් එන්න බෑ මට. හරි? කැමස් ඔෆ් කරන් හිටියම ගමන් නැහැ. Right? So please pay you 100% attention on this. Right? So now here you have 2x. 7 plus 22, 29. 7 plus 22, 29 equals 33. Right. So 29 can be taken to this side. Okay? Positive 29, negative 29, negative 20. Right? Cancel out, cancel out. So you will be having 2x equals 33. Take this, negative 29. So you will be having, I will do it here. 2x equals 33 minus 29 means 4. Right? So divide by 2, divide by 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 1. X is equal to 2. So both methods are correct. Right? Both methods are correct. So you will get the same answer if you use whatever the method. That's your ability. If you know another method to get the answer, perfect. Or superior ending. Maths. Right? ඒකයි මම මේ විදි කීපයක් කියලා දෙන්නම්. හරිද? දැන් මම ඊයේ ගානක් කියලා දුන්නා. sorry ඊයේ නෙමෙයි පෙරේද. right? grade 10 අයලා කරලා ඒ ගාන හදන්න පුළුවන් ක්‍රම තුනකින්. right? I did all three methods. හරිද? එකම ගාන 3 methods. right? මම එහෙම ටයිම් එක මේ වේස්ට් කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ එකම ගාන කියලා දෙන්න. හරිද? but I want you to be the best in the class. my class එකේ නෙමෙයි ඔයාලගේ school. I want you to be the best. That's why I am teaching you several methods to do the same question so that you will be a genius, right? But I like right? Okay. So these are the two things, right? Yes, Sanvi has sent me the answers. Yes. No, and then they go. Right. Do I need to do any question from exercise 15.1 or am I clear to go? Proceed. Am I clear to proceed? Do you have any questions from exercise 15.1? Any doubt questions? Right.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, yeah, do it again.
So how to find the answer for the E?
E. Yes, E is very similar to this. Can you find it out? Can you find the similar things from this L part L and E? Right? In E, you have only one parenthesis inside this. Instead of this parenthesis, you have an X. Very similar.
Okay, sir. I will try.
Right? No, I will do. Right, I will do. But you can try. Very similar to this one. Did you get that? මට මේ point එක ගන්න මේ තේරුණාද කියලා ඉඳලා ගන්න ඕනේ. Similar to this. Right?
Okay, sir.
Very similar to this. I will write it on top of this so that you can identify the difference. Right? No, I will write it in below. Right? Puthala, I am going to do part E. Right? Right? Part E. Right? Part E is very similar to this, but easier than this because you are having only one parenthesis inside the curly bracket. So it is something like this. Instead of 7, I have 4. Number 4. Plus is plus. Okay. 2 is 2 years. Open curly bracket. Instead of this, instead of this guy, you only have x. Right? Now, instead of negative sign, what is it? Positive. Right? Then instead of this one, you have 2. Yes, 2 is 2. Inside bracket x plus 3. All are positive. Right? What is very easy, right? Is equal to, instead of 33, you are having 34. Right? Very easy. Right? Game of 9. Right? I'm going to do this. Check your answer. Right? I'm going to do this by using the two methods. Right? Textbook and the way that I have done. Right? Right. Okay. 4 plus apple equals 34. 4 plus apple equals 34. So that this is positive 4. I can take it to the other side at once. Okay. So my left hand side is this. Only this. 2 times x plus 2 times x plus 3 is equal to 34 minus 4. 34 minus 4. Right? So 2 times x plus 2 times x plus 3 close bracket is equal to 30. So this is snap. Divide by 2, divide by 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 1. Now I do not need to use curly brackets. I can remove that, right? Because in front of curly bracket I have 1, only 1, right? So x plus, at the same time, if you want, you can remove the brackets as well, right? Make x plus, I am not going to waste another step to do, right? Plus 2, right? Plus positive into positive, positive, 2 into x, 2x. At the same step, I am doing all the things, positive into positive, positive, 2 times 3, 6, right? Is equal to 30 divided by 2, 50, right? Okay. So like terms, x plus 2x, 3x. So I will do it here. 3x. 3x plus 6 is equal to 15. Right? Now this is positive 6. You can take it to the other side. 3x is equal to 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 means 9. Right? Here you have 3x. 3x equals 9. You know how to find x. Divide both sides by 3. 3 times 1, 3 times 1. X is equal to 9 divided by 3, 3. Huh? Right. So that's the way that I told you. Right? Now I am going to use the method textbook. I will do it here. I will rewrite this one again. 4 plus 2 times x plus 2 times x plus 3 close bracket equals 34. Right? So first of all, we need to remove the parenthesis. Right? Parenthesis is here. So I am going to remove this. Right? So I will write all the things as it is. X plus positive into positive, positive, 2 into x, 2x, positive into positive, positive, 2 into 3, 6. Right? Curly bracket equals 34. Right? Now, inside the curly bracket, I have x plus 2x, that is 3x, you know that. Right? 3x plus 6 close curly bracket is equal to 34. Right? So here I have now again 4 plus. So positive into positive, positive 2 into 3, 6x. Positive into positive, positive 2 into 6, 12 is equal to 34. Right. Now, very easy. 4 plus 12. 4 plus 12, 16. 6x plus 16. Right. I have here 6x. Right. Here I have 4 plus 12, 16. Is equal to 34. Right. So, this is positive 16. You know how to take it to the other side. That means negative 16 from both sides. So that you can write 6x is equal to 34 minus 16. Right? 34 minus 16. 6x equals 34 minus 16 will give you 8. Here you had like 2, 1, 1, 80. Right? So divide it by 6. Both sides you have to divide by 6. 6 times 1, x is equal to 18 divided by 6 means 3. Both answers are correct. This one and that are correct.